Some vehicles earn a reputation. Others earn a legacy. The Toyota Land Cruiser 80 belongs to a rare category of machines that have conquered deserts, mountains, forests, and some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Built to be tough, reliable, and nearly unstoppable, it's a vehicle that has become a legend among off-road enthusiasts around the world. But even legends aren't immune to time. This Land Cruiser had endured years of abuse, neglect, mud, rust, and countless hard miles. The body showed signs of wear from years of punishment. The interior had lost its former character. Mechanical components were tired, worn, and desperately in need of attention. For many people, this would have been the end of the road. But when we looked at this Land Cruiser, we didn't see an old, worn-out 4x4. We saw potential. Hidden beneath the dirt and damage was one of the most respected off-road vehicles ever built, waiting for a second chance. The challenge ahead would require patience, skill, and determination. Every panel would need attention. Every component would need inspection. Every detail would need to be brought back to life. And we weren't stopping at restoration. This build would receive custom upgrades designed to enhance both its appearance and capability, transforming it into a machine ready to tackle new adventures while honoring the legacy that made the Land Cruiser name famous. The journey wouldn't be easy. There would be surprises hidden beneath years of grime, unexpected repairs, countless hours of work, and moments that would test our commitment to the project. But that's exactly what restoration is all about. Today, we're taking this abused and neglected Toyota Land Cruiser 80 and giving it the transformation it deserves. From worn out and forgotten, to powerful, capable, and adventure-ready once again. Let's get started.
What a difference dedication can make. Standing here now, it's almost impossible to imagine that this is the same Toyota Land Cruiser 80 we started with. The years of neglect have been erased. The dirt, rust, and damage are nothing more than memories of what this vehicle once endured. The transformation goes far beyond appearance. Every repair, every upgrade, and every hour spent in the workshop helped bring this legendary machine back to the standard it deserves. The body has been restored, the mechanical systems refreshed, the interior revived, and the custom modifications have given it a new personality while preserving everything that made the Land Cruiser iconic. This wasn't simply about rebuilding a vehicle. It was about preserving a legacy. The Land Cruiser 80 has earned its reputation through decades of reliability, toughness, and adventure. Bringing one back to life is more than a project. It's a way of ensuring that another chapter can be written in its story.